Sanctuary is impossible for even the wiliest trophy bucks in your woods. Through swamp, wetlands, and winter muck, these Guide Gear ankle fit Thinsulate rubber boots are ready to explore where other hunters would rather not go. All rubber, completely waterproof foot and shaft are scent resistant for keeping a low profile, while a warm, non-bulky layer of Thinsulate offered here in 3 choices of thickness keeps your toes cozy everywhere from on the move to a stationary stakeout up a tree. Calf length design manages the deepest slough, yet the adjustable calf strap helps create a custom fit you'll love to wear all day. Brave the mud, bag your buck, and have the most comfortable hunting season possible. Order your Guide Gear ankle fit Thinsulate rubber boots today.
Noisy equipment is a problem for all hunters. Busting hunts, ruining chances with one wrong move. Until now. Sound Barrier introduces Buck Bumper and Buck Bumper Thick. Buck Bumper is a thin, sound-absorbent wrap that completely encases and silences equipment, fully eliminating any chance of noise-making contact. It's easy to apply, weather-resistant, and lasts all season. Simply wrap around and adhere to bow hangers, tree steps, camera arms, and so many other objects to increase stealth and create a layer of soundproof protection. Buck Bumper Thick is a sound-absorbent strip applied with a strong adhesive to larger equipment at contact points. It works well for stands, climbing sticks, and anywhere else contact is typically made, decreasing hunt-busting noise by over 70%. Get Buck Bumper and Buck Bumper Thick from Sound Barrier. Designed to silence equipment, give a new confidence, a new advantage, and never be heard again.
The all-new Aimpoint Micro H2 redefines everything you thought you knew about compact red dot sights. The cutting-edge lens coatings radically improve the shape and clarity of the red dot with higher light transmissions and with a natural color rendering giving a clear and natural image. The transparent flip-up covers are standard equipment and helps keeping the optical lenses clean and dry at all times. Built to offer the same ruggedness as other Aimpoint products, the Micro H2 is able to perform under extreme conditions while remaining user-friendly. The sealed tube design means that no snow, rain, dust, mud, or sand will ever disrupt the operation of your sight or ever get between you and the target. Giving 50,000 hours of constant runtime from one battery, you will always be ready. With a Micro H2, you will never carry too much optic. It is the fully grown sight in a small package that will never let you down.